So I have a customer with a 2019 Infiniti QX80. Called me out, thought they needed a key made, but the car wouldn't start because they needed a starter. I've already taken out the old starter, put in the new starter, and this is where we're at with it. All right, I'll be back with a part 2 once I get it installed and back to running. All right, I just got everything put back together. My tools are still out, but as you can see, now I'm about to fire it up. All right, another successful job. Customer is very happy. Peace.